The Kenwood DDX9907XR is marketed as a premium multimedia receiver, but there are critical issues you should know before buying. Today on Auto and Moto, we're taking a closer look at where this unit falls short and why you should think carefully before making the investment. First, despite its premium positioning, the DDX9907XR does not offer wireless Android Auto. Only wireless Apple CarPlay is supported. Android users will still need a wired connection, which feels outdated for a unit at this price point, especially when many competitors now offer full wireless capability for both platforms. Second, screen visibility is a concern in bright environments. Although the unit features a high-definition display, the brightness levels aren't strong enough to fully overcome direct sunlight. During daytime driving, important navigation and media information can become difficult to see clearly. Third, system boot-up time is slower than expected. After ignition, the DDX9907XR takes longer to become fully responsive compared to newer, faster systems. If you rely on quick access to your maps, playlists, or hands-free calls, this delay can be frustrating, especially on short trips. Fourth, the sound tuning options are deep, but not user-friendly. While Kenwood includes excellent DSP tools and crossover controls, the interface to access and adjust these settings is complicated. For users who aren't audio experts, maximizing the sound system's potential will require a steep learning curve or professional setup help. Fifth, firmware updates and bug fixes have been inconsistent. Some users have reported persistent software issues like Bluetooth connectivity glitches, slow screen responses, and compatibility problems with newer smartphones. Kenwood's update schedule for this model hasn't been aggressive, which can leave buyers stuck with unresolved bugs longer than expected. Sixth, the physical size and weight of the unit can make installation more difficult. The DDX9907XR is bulkier than many modern head units, which can cause fitment issues in certain dash openings and may require custom modifications in some vehicles. In conclusion, while the Kenwood DDX9907XR offers strong audio features and a large screen, shortcomings in wireless support, visibility, startup speed, usability, and long-term software reliability make it a less competitive choice in the current market. It's critical to weigh these real-world flaws carefully before buying.